obviously will appeal it. They put it before a certain judge in Seattle, I guess, right? And there's no surprises with that judge.
President Trump vowing to appeal a federal judge's ruling in Seattle on his controversial executive order seeking to limit birthright citizenship. At a hearing today, that judge called the order blatantly unconstitutional. He granted a temporary restraining order requested by 4 Democrat-led states. Trump's order directs agencies to refuse to recognize the citizenship of children born in the U.S. if their parents do not have legal status. The president's order was one of many executive actions aimed at shutting down the southern border to immigration and ramping up deportations.
The Mexican consulate is stepping up to help people at risk of being deported, and legal experts are urging immigrants to get up to speed on their rights.
So Anaeli Ruiz spoke with an immigration attorney and Mexico's consul general. She joins us live to explain. Anaeli?
That's right. A lot of people are flooding their offices with phone calls concerned on what they should do. They were able to provide us with some tips to help you guys at home. As promised, President Donald Trump has signed several executive orders on immigration. Attorneys break down what you need to know now.
It's important that they know their rights.
So what are your rights if you're detained by an immigration authority?
Legal status, they don't have to give any information.
Naim Salen is a Houston immigration attorney, and here's the advice she's giving her clients. You have the right to remain silent. You don't need to tell them where you are from or your immigration status. Ask for a phone call and contact your family or an immigration attorney. Don't sign anything without your attorney looking at it, no matter what they tell you.
So you need to sign, if not, you are committing a crime. That's not true. You do not need to sign.
And finally, you don't have to answer your door unless they have an order signed by a judge.
The officer can show you that paper through the window, or they can slip it through under the door, and that way you are protected, because as soon as you open the door, you're giving them the right to search your property.
Local consulates are also stepping in to help. The Mexican consulate is offering free consultations with immigration attorneys for Mexican nationals.
Una app digital se llama Consul App Contigo.
And this new app called Consul App Contigo allows you to put in your information and the info of 3 of your loved ones.
Que si algo sucediera, tuvieras a quien le llegara.
If you're detained, the app will automatically notify your loved ones. Plus, in an emergency, you can press a button to send your exact location to both the consulate and your contacts. The goal is to help families in case their loved ones are detained. Now, immigration attorneys tell us once you are detained, if you are detained by an immigration official, you could be held for a minimum of at least 2 weeks. That's why they're asking people to make sure you have a plan in place for your loved ones, for someone to care for your loved ones while you're being detained, and also make sure you have a reputable attorney ready to work for you. Reporting live, Anaeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
Anaeli, thank you. Tonight.